Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia C32 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down just a little bit because here we've got two different options for the phone ringtone. They are divided between two different SIM cards, which is quite cool because you can set different ringtone for the first one and different one for the second one. Let me show you how to do it using the first one. For example, let me tap on it, and as you can see, after tapping, your device will open this pop-out window with the pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option None, and it simply means that your device will not use the sound to notify you about the incoming call. Of course, you will be able to see it, but you will not hear any ringtone. And on the other hand, at the bottom of the list, we've got this option Add Ringtone, and after tapping on it, you will be transferred to your own files, which you've got, for example, downloaded. They will appear right here or in any other files, and you will be able to set them as a ringtone. But let me focus on the pre-installed ones. And basically, if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. So let me pick, for example, this one. And of course, let me volume it down. Not that much. Okay, so basically this is how it works. You have to tap on it in order to listen. And if you decide that you want to set this particular ringtone, so let's pretend I want this one, simply make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call from the first SIM card, of course. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.